welcome back to my channel. To those of you who are new here, my name is Nafa Noori, and while you're here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to be talking about onion and the benefits it has for your hair. Now, we all know it's extremely difficult to maintain good hair and take care of them with regular trims and to make sure that we're growing it fast. So products like onion really help to stimulate the process and to actually help you achieve those thick, voluminous tresses. Using onion juice for your hair is a short method to fight that hair fall and also to promote hair regrowth. Now, this method has been used for a very long time as a home remedy, and in this video I'm going to tell you the various ingredients that you can add also to your onion juice to actually really stimulate your hair growth. There are various reasons why onion works wonders for your hair. It's got amazing properties and ingredients which we will talk about more in greater detail in the video. Some of the benefits that onion juice has on your hair is definitely it boosts the rate at which your hair grow. It avoids dandruff. It restores luster and shine in your hair. It prevents premature graying and aging, which is actually hereditary for me. It's there in my family. I already have quite a few gray hairs, so I apply onion juice a lot on my hair to prevent all of these things. So the benefits are it's amazing how many benefits it has. It does have a little bit of a strong smell, so I would recommend various ways of other ingredients that you can mix with the onion juice so you reduce on the smell aspect of it. And so without much further ado, let's get into the video. So you have to take one big red onion. Now, since I don't have a big one, I have taken two small, and then I'm going to grind it. And now you have to remove the juice of the onion using either a strainer, or you could even use a cotton cloth. And after that, you can add in some coconut oil or any other carrier oil. My coconut oil is a bit frozen. Now I'm going to mix it nicely. And here I have my mix ready. I'm going to use a cotton pad for this, and I have a wooden comb. Now I prefer using wooden combs because they really help to partition the hair nicely without the hair getting stuck to it and leading to breakage. Let's dip the cotton pad inside and start applying the onion juice to different sections of our hair. Now you want to make sure that you're applying it to the complete scalp nicely in every corner. Some people might be sensitive to onion juice on their skin, so mixing onion juice with a carrier oil may prevent this. I have used coconut oil as it is an extremely penetrative oil which will help boost the onion juice's ability to actually completely nourish and penetrate in the scalp. You can also use other oils such as castor oil, olive oil. You can also use potato juice or honey instead of any oil. And let's get into the benefits of onion juice. Onion boosts the level of antioxidants, which help to optimize the hair growth cycle. It helps to reverse premature graying and delay graying in general. Applying onion juice to the hair and scalp increases the blood supply to hair follicles, which in turn improves the hair growth. A scalp infection can contribute to hair loss for a few people, so onions are rich in substances that fight fungus and bacteria and keep your hair free of infections and improve hair growth. It nourishes your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. Now, sulfur is essential for the regeneration of your hair follicles. Onion juice also improves the circulation of blood, resulting in it is great hair which are well nourished. When used regularly, it also creates a natural shine for the hair and has also shown results of adding volume to the hair. Now you want to make sure that you apply it on every section, even at the lower part of your scalp, so you can tie up your hair into a nice bun on top, and make sure you're applying it everywhere evenly. You can also create a hair mask which you can use once or twice in a month using onions and eggs together. That's a fantastic mixture. Now that I'm done applying it on all sections of my hair, I'm going to massage it nicely for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that I'm helping the onion just completely penetrate in my scalp. Now I'm going to tie it into a nice bun. That's it, guys. Now you have to let this sit in your hair for at least a minimum of 1 hour. But for example, for some people who might not be so bothered with the smell, if you can leave it overnight, the benefits are fabulous. Like, you will get the nourishment throughout the night, and then you can wash it in the morning. I can't do that. I can't sleep with it on, so I try to keep it for about 2 hours. Repeat this as frequently as you can. Advisably, like if you want to see the best and the fastest results, it has to be done every alternate day, which can get a bit difficult, so just try to do the best that you can. And yeah, in about 4 weeks to 6 weeks, you should be able to see some great results. Like anything else in life, consistency is the key. So if you're consistent, you will definitely see amazing results. That's all from me for this video, guys. Please do let me know in the comment section below, what did you think of this video, if it was helpful to you, if you would like to see more videos like this. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Do click that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Feel free to share this video. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, you take care.